It all begins with the scientist Michael Faraday. In 1821, he demonstrated the theory of magnetic rotation with the world's first electric motor.
The connection being now made from the plates to the copper wire and to the mercury below, the copper wire immediately begins to revolve around the pole of the magnet.
A decade later, Faraday showed that an electric current could be generated through exposure to a magnetic field.
The relation which holds between the fixed magnetic pole, the moving wire or metal, and the direction of the current evolved.
At the same time, Turner and Faraday's friend, the mathematician Mary Somerville, was introducing the idea of electromagnetism to a wider public in a best-selling book.
Dr. Faraday observes that such is the facility with which electricity is evolved by the Earth's magnetism that scarcely any piece of metal can be moved in contact with others.
Turner knew Mary Somerville very well indeed. They were good friends. Mary Somerville talked many times of going to Turner's studio and always being welcomed.
Even a ship, passing over the surface of the water in northern or southern latitudes, ought to have electric currents running directly across the line of her motion. Curious electromagnetic combinations probably exist, which have never yet been noticed.
What is Turner doing in Snowstorm? Is he describing just the kind of things Somerville and Faraday were talking about? Is this the visual manifestation of the invisible magnetic forces in nature?
The key point for Snowstorm, in my view, is the visual parallel that it creates between the sea as a vast, uncontrollable force and the invisible powers of the Earth's magnetism. Underneath the chaos, there's a real regularity. The waves have a sort of a hairy quality that gets very near the effect of putting iron filings in a magnetic field with a bar magnet, how they gather around the bar magnet. I think that